Every strand begins far from the factory floor.
Quality is decided before machines ever start.
Millions of grains, one purpose. Stored carefully, waiting for the next step. Eggs arrive from farms built on precision. Fragile ingredients, handled with care. Only the best move forward. Prepared for synchronized delivery. Field harvest meets industrial scale. Timing matters at this scale. Different origins, one destination. The journey to transformation begins. Raw ingredients arrive, where scale takes over.
Every load is verified before entry.
Precision begins at the entrance. Eggs enter a controlled environment. Alignment prevents waste. Fragility meets efficiency. Gravity does the heavy work. Tons move in seconds. Handled gently, always moving forward. Separate paths, synchronized timing. Storage buffers the entire system. From transport to transformation. Before food is made, impurities are removed. Safety begins at the smallest scale. Air becomes a filter. Vision replaces guesswork. Uniform quality, unified flow. Clean shells protect what's inside. Invisible risks are washed away. Only intact eggs proceed. Consistency is engineered.
Shells have done their job.
Only the liquid matters now. Now, the real process can begin. Pressure turns grain into potential. Uniform texture is engineered. Measured and ready.
Structure begins to form.
Time completes what machines start.
Thickness defines texture.
Consistency is layered.
Shape defines identity.
Order emerges from motion.
The next transformation begins. Heat prepares the final texture. Balance is everything. Uniformity at every step.
From soft to stable.
Drying defines shelf life. Even airflow prevents defects.
Human judgment still matters.
Stability is achieved.
Cooling locks the result.
Only perfect strands proceed.
Now, machines take full control. Automation takes the lead. Every strand is measured.
Accuracy at industrial speed.
Consistency never tires.
Speed without chaos. Numbers confirm stability. Perfection stays in motion. Correction happens instantly. Nothing is left to chance.
Humans guide the system.
Prepared for final form. Scale defines modern food. The end is now in sight.
Final form begins here.
Shape meets expectation.
Precision never relaxes. Prepared for protection. Human eyes still matter.
Protection takes shape. Freshness is sealed in.
Traceability guaranteed.
Final checks never stop.
Only exact products pass.
Single packs become shipments.
Ready for the world.
Assembly is complete. Quality is never assumed.
Every batch is questioned.
Details reveal discipline.
Protection must hold.
Details reveal discipline.
Protection must hold. Numbers confirm trust.
Numbers confirm trust.
Texture tells the truth.
Safety goes beyond sight.
Time validates cleanliness.
Data closes the loop. Only approved goods move forward. Quality returns to speed.
Individual units become volume.
Cleared for the final journey. Precision builds stability. Protection within protection.
Ready to be secured. Stability is locked in.
Prepared for distance. Every pallet is tracked. Movement resumes. Storage becomes strategy. Nothing goes uncounted. Space is maximized. Demand triggers motion. Every journey starts with space. The final movement begins.
Balance matters on the road.
Once sealed, it's committed.
Security is not optional. Data follows every mile. Power meets purpose.
The factory releases its work.
Millions of meals in motion.
From factory floor to global shelves.
The result of countless decisions.
And this is how modern factories produce egg noodles from start to finish. See how the world is made.